Hey guys, this is Dave. Wanted to do a video for a couple of guys on Facebook that are interested in the GTO. This is my 66 GTO. It's the interior. Get in, sit down, shut up, and hold on. That was something I took off another car I had. But as you can see, the dash is really nice. All the chrome bezels are in really nice shape. This car was restored in 2008. I don't know who restored it, but I know it was an expensive restoration because everything is still so perfect. And literally everything in this car works. Everything. All the gauges, the heater, all the windows, the defrost, the AM-Reverb, the rear defogger. This is the reverb. Here's my FM converter from 1977. These are cool. These twin dome lights with the reading map light built into them. They work. There's the defogger back there. But literally everything in this car is absolutely 100% operational. Tilt wheel, emergency brake. Doesn't have the pedal dress-up kit, so you know it doesn't have power brakes. So it's got manual drums, 4-speed, console, all the lights work. But I mean, these gauges are perfect. Car just turned 40. It was 48,053. I put 53 miles on it. 4th of July. So here's the back seat. Front seat, door panel, car's got no rust anywhere. I can't find any patch panels or anything on it. See my wife's car in the reflection. A tilt wheel, AM radio, reverb, rear defogger, gauge package, 4-speed with console. Again, this car was born as a 2-speed automatic with a 4-barrel carburetor, but I was told by the previous owner that this car was restored back in 2008, and it already had the 4-speed and tri-power on it. It's got the underhood light that I actually disconnected so it wouldn't stay on at car shows. I just painted the engine up a couple weeks ago. Car runs phenomenal. It runs really good. I just put a new battery in it because the one I had was getting kind of slow. It was like 6 years old. I had it out a little while ago, but it started raining, so I put it in the garage, but it seems to be clearing up again, so I'll pull it out. But all the stainless trim is in really good shape all the way around. There's no evidence of any rust or anything back here. All the windows roll up perfectly, nice and easy. No hard spots in the crank, and the car is really straight. The tires are 225 70 14 radials. I just picked them up a few months ago. They're virtually pretty new. I think the DOT codes on them are December of 2022, so they're in good shape. Some pictures under the undercarriage. The car is like super clean. I'll put a link. I took a whole bunch of pictures when the car was up on my lift a few months ago after I detailed the undercarriage, but it's like stupid clean. Let me get the keys so you can see the trunk. Doors closed nice. So that was one of the tires that were on the car. Bias ply, not a fan. So this is a clutch kit that I had for my 68. Ended up just needing an adjustment. So that's a clutch kit that actually fits this car too. There's a box of air shocks and a manual. This is a cover. I don't see any evidences of any patches anywhere. I think those these should be painted spatter paint too, but when they restored it they didn't do it. But you can see the, I think that's is the defogger and the reverb. That thing's so cool. My floors are perfect. Trunk looks perfect. All the tail lights, they all work. All the lights work. There's no, slowness if I stop the car or anything like that. Voltage regulator seems to be keeping up with it, but she's an awesome car. I'm gonna miss her. But again, it's the reason I'm selling it is because we're buying a place that we want to go to for the winter, and I have a 1,000-mile Shelby GT500 KR that I'll be more than happy to drive. But this is just so sweet. Again, all the stainless all the way around, really nice shape. The wipers work, horn works. I never tested the actual squirters though. Never had the car in the rain except a little while ago. I just wiped it off. Grill's in awesome shape. Again, I got a bunch of pictures it's got T3 headlights in it, all 4 of them. Let's start it up. This thing runs good. Let's get the keys out of the trunk. Front speaker, rear speaker, reverb. That thing cracks me up. So cool. But she shifts nice. It's got a upgraded Hurst box, so it doesn't wobble like a school bus, but she shifts real good. Get out. No weird noises under the hood. She's good. Super responsive, no smoke. Factory exhaust, factory sounding exhaust. I was gonna day 2 this car all up, like with ladder bars and Kragers and brush turbos, but we really want to get a place down south. Anyway, there she is. Good car. Anybody wants any additional photographs? Got tons of them. Let me know. Thanks.